to the spot, make it hot. Took too many shots, I forgot. DJ turn it up, at the lot, yeah. Super cool, yeah, that's super cool. 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 Yeah, that's super cool.
Three years ago, April 2021, Team RM was officially promoted as a team or unit of Pro-Life UK. And fast forward, thank you Lord, 3 years down the road, hindi na lang tayo isang team. Marami na tayong leaders, marami nang nag-step up, and we are now officially a branch of Pro-Life UK!
I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate.
Guys, sabi nila, we cannot change our life if we do not change something that we do daily. Guys, sometimes we tend to underestimate what we can do in 1 year.
Feeling that you gave to me, found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song. I'm hearing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Hopefully guys, accountability, intentional growth, and habits, these are the values na sana parati nating isa puso here at Grand Iron Store. And who knows, hindi malabong mangyari after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years down the road, sa grupong ito magmumula ang sunod na magiging BM. No, parati ko lang hihilingin yung tatlong values na yun.
You make me wanna celebrate.